what's going on, you guys? Lou's dropping the camera here. Today we're going to be showing you how to change your lawnmower Earl in your mower. Alright? So here we go. First, what you're going to want to do is take this little orange cap off of dang old Earl cap. How about you talk? Because you know a little bit more than me.
You go ahead.
Dang on. And next, you're going to want to turn this little black old knob.
Dang old.
And she should just pull her out.
You pull out. And then, yeah, you pull out and she starts going. Oh yeah.
Now this mower is, I don't know the exact, what it is, a John Deere, right?
Yeah, with a Briggs & Stratton 14 horsepower engine on it.
And she said should pour for steady. How long?
I don't know. Depends on how much is in there.
Could you take the cap off for extra flow?
Yeah, it'll flow faster. It should. Oh,
take your cap off, and it did a little bit.
Did it? Wait a minute. It's on.
Alright, we got most of the oil all out of it. She's just barely dripping. So what do we do next?
Then dang, I'll wipe that thing down. But it's not going to do anything if it's still dripping. Yeah, there's no point in that. And it should stop. Sometimes.
Alright, now we're going to put some oil in the lawnmower here.
Dang old SAE 5W30.
That's the recommended brand for all lawnmowers. Riders, pushers, anything you can think of.
What your dad said.
Alright. Then we'll get this light shining.
I don't know exactly how much goes in, so I'm going to put some in and check.
Never put the whole thing in, right?
I'll put half of it in and check. Looks mint, right? Whoa, Chris.
What?
I was looking at your screen there and I slipped.
Sounds like wire, right?
Yeah.
Mint. Now you check.
I'm gonna wait for it to go down very slow.
Go. Oh no, that sure is hard to get a light in there unless you do that.
Stink bug.
Oh yeah, there's a stink bug down there. Oh, it's coming off the warmth here. This light or this engine? Motor.
Oh yeah, we need a good bit more.
You can see, you can't even see the Earl on that thing. That's good.
Oh yeah.
That means it's clean. Here's the Earl that was in it before. It matches the side of the can. So just take a full thing? I guess all riders take a full thing?
Not all.
Yeah, just screw that on there. This is the lawnmower brand right here, right? Oh yeah.
You got the other jug?
It needs more than that?
I don't know yet.
Bang.
The razor takes 2 of these.
Yeah. There should be plenty.
Actually, probably will be.
I'm planning on doing a lot of crap with this. You'll see this lawnmower on here a lot more. It needs a good cleaning, a good old new cover for the what do you call it? New frame?
I guess a new hood cover.
A new hood cover for the lawnmower because mine's a little beat up. It's plastic. Huh?
We need a lot more.
Alright, and I'm planning on also painting this. That's also why it needs cleaned up really good. You guys will see the colors of surprise. You'll see it when it's done. With some nice new rim colors. This needs new back tires, I'm pretty sure. This is a new tire right here. But these are all the older ones. And then you also see this lawnmower in the videos. This has a bad transmission in it. We got it to fire earlier. And we transferred the spark plug and the battery from the green to the red. And it tried to fire up and it worked for the most part. Now we just need to get a new battery for it, new spark plug. What else does it need? You need a new fuel filter. Need a new transmission, which we're getting from a junkyard for it. New fuel lines. Yeah. So that'll be also in a future video. Right. So in the future, check out the channel. That'll be getting some work on it. This will be getting some work on it. We're also thinking about starting up our own little lawnmower service thing going. Not service, but yeah. Push mowers, get them fixed up, running, sell them. Be real mint. I don't know, I forget.
Fix your dad's car.
Oh, yeah. That'll also be in a future video for you guys. Dang on, we're done. It's right on the line. Oh yeah. So now this thing's perfect. We're gonna see if she ruins.
Well, I wouldn't, Chris.
I don't know. Yeah. Keep the jug.
Oh, Chris, your new headlight on it.
Yeah, I got a new headlight because. Where's my other headlights at? You put them somewhere. Oh, here they are. Here's my previous headlights. Yeah, they're not doing too good. No, the phone's not attached to it. Let's open up the garage and get her backed out.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it out. Oh, Chris, I need the oil lid.
Need Earl lid? That's alright.
Yeah.
What do you mean the Earl lid?
For this.
Was it open?
Yeah.
You just threw it.
I know, it's on the floor. Move the tripod because I'm coming out with that on there.
Why are you coming out with that on there? Oh yeah, baby's looking mint. You gotta just drag a cord with it though. Alright, I'm gonna take her off. Take her off because you can take her around the yard. Alright, here's... Alright, what you do is you stick her in neutral and start her. Ready to reverse? Yep. Is it mint?
Yeah, it's on there.
Alright guys, for future videos, click that dang old subscribe button. Might be a playlist on this.
How about that rip?
Oh yeah, that was a nice gravel rip. And that's it. And like I said, check out the description for more crap. And this is dumb.